All right, so yeah, this is the M1 MacBook, and we're gonna be unboxing it today. So basically on this side, there's like a little pull tab. So let's just pull it and rip the plastic and completely ruin it all. And then let's get this plastic off of it. Boom, easy. All right, now let's actually de-lid this MacBook Pro box. So what's inside? Oh, okay, so you basically just have a little plastic box right here with thick edges, extra thick edges. And then this is the MacBook right here. And then for the MacBook, I decided to go with a 1 terabyte SSD as well as 16 gigabytes of RAM because I'm going to be doing a lot of video editing on it. So I definitely need to make sure it can handle everything I can throw at it. Because I know if you only get 8 gigabytes of RAM, it's just not enough if you're going to be using Premiere Pro or After Effects or whatever you want to throw at it. And this thing is an absolute fingerprint magnet. So it's a little heavy, but it's really not too bad. And then actually, I don't even know. Oh, here we go. It's on this side. And then here it is on the inside. Oh, it actually just turned on. So it has this little protective film on it to protect the screen, as well as it has the touch bar. Here, let's put this down. It has the touch bar as well as it has the standard Apple keyboard. And I have to actually set this up. So I'll do that later though. I can't be bothered right now. But honestly, one of my favorite things about this is the touch bar, because it's basically just a touch bar. Let's go see what else is in the box. Okay, so of course, ladies and gentlemen, we have, okay, so designed by Apple in California. And it's just a bunch of like random stuff. I don't care. And then I'm assuming this is the power adapter right here. This massive monstrosity, this giant, whatever, whatever this is. Yeah, this thing is huge. Oh my God. What the heck? Yeah, I mean, I guess it makes sense. This is a laptop charger, so yeah, that's pretty standard. And then it comes with a fairly long cable actually, which is very nice. And is it Thunderbolt? Yeah, it is Thunderbolt on both sides. So you just plug one end into here, plug the other end into the laptop, plug this into the wall, and you're good to go. And is that it? Yep, that's it. You get some books, you get the MacBook, you get the charger, and that's it. So it's really minimalistic, but overall, I'm actually really excited to use this. I haven't used it yet, but it has the new M1 chip, so it should be really good for video editing. And I'm basically going to be making a lot of my videos in the future on the MacBook. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's Turbo, and I'm out. Peace.